Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the SUVCON Dash Cam. Get ready for a hilarious and informative comparison. Let the battle begin. Alright, let's talk about video quality. The Vantrue N4 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera, while the SUVCON Dash Cam offers a respectable 170-degree wide-angle front camera. But let's be honest folks, with the Vantrue N4, you'll be able to spot a mosquito on someone's nose from a mile away. It's like having a Hollywood-quality camera in your car. The SUVCON Dash Cam, on the other hand, provides clear footage with its superior HDR technology, ensuring balanced images in any lighting situation. Now, let's dive into interior monitoring. The Vantrue N4 takes it to the next level with its triple-channel setup. It not only captures the front and rear views, but also keeps an eye on the inside of your vehicle. Perfect for rideshare drivers who need to keep an eye on their passengers' shenanigans. Meanwhile, the SUVCON Dash Cam features a cabin-facing camera, ensuring that you don't miss a single moment of your road trip karaoke sessions. Sing your heart out, folks. When the sun goes down, these dash cams don't sleep. The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with infrared night vision and 4 IR LED lights, guaranteeing crystal clear footage of your late-night adventures. It's like having your own personal night vision goggles. The SUVCON Dash Cam also offers clearer night vision with its interior-facing camera and 4 infrared LED lights. Say goodbye to those grainy, blurry night shots. Time to check out those extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The Vantrue N4 spoils us with its 24-hour parking mode, ensuring your car is always protected. Plus, it's heat-resistant, making it perfect for extreme weather conditions. And hey, it even has a reliable G-sensor that locks in important footage during sudden shakes or collisions. The SUVCON Dash Cam may not have all the bells and whistles, but it gets the job done with its G-sensor and parking monitor. Safety first, folks. The Vantrue N4 is considered a very good upgrade and one of the best 3-channel dash cameras on the market. The SUVCON Dash Cam is highly recommended for its quality and functionality. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dash cam and the SUVCON Dash Cam in various categories. Both cameras have their own unique strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember, smart shoppers always do your research and compare products before making a purchase. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more entertaining and informative videos. Stay smart and happy shopping!